Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zahra Sophia. You're welcome. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to be making this beautiful, trendy Zara cap. I'll be using about one line of ashoke for this, and I have this already made cap. I have a video already. You can go check out my previous video to know how to make this cap. Now this is a piece I cut out, 12 inches length and 12 inches width. I just joined two lines of ashoke to make this. Now I'm going to be printing. I'll print this piece already joined together all around. I'll print it to make a bow. As you can see, I'll make a bow like this. And now I'll take my needle and thread and use it to hold down the bow that I've made already. As you can see, after doing this, I'm going to secure the sewing. And now I cut out about 10 inch of ashoke, about 10 inch and 2 inch wideness. After folding in two, I have about 1 inch, and I'll use it to wrap around the bow I made. I'll wrap it around at the middle where I sewed it. So you can see, after wrapping, I'll cut out the excess and use my B6000 gum to secure it down. Apply the B6000 gum and secure it. And now I'll join this bow to the cap. Take the cap, I'll join it to the cap. Before then, I'll apply the gum on the bow at the middle. As you can see, I'll put it aside for it to get dried a little bit. Now I'll take the trimming, which I'll be using to design the cap, and apply my gum. After applying the gum, I'll put it aside to get dried a little bit while I take my bow and attach it to the cap. I'll gum the bow to the cap. Mind you, I'm gumming the bow at the back of the cap, not at the front. The part you want to be the back is where I'm gumming the bow to. So I will take my needle and thread to secure the bow to the cap. As you can see. And now, after securing the bow to the cap, I'm going to add the trimmings and attach it at the side of the cap. As you can see, I place it at the side of the cap, just like this. And you can see my Zara cap is ready. Please like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you and remain blessed.